Craze to Code. Today I'm going to introduce you to the programming language Java. Let's get started. What is Java? Java is basically a high-level programming language which was introduced in 1995. As you all might have guessed, Java supports macOS, Windows, Unix and much more. At first, Java was developed by Sun Microsystems, which was later acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2009. Fun fact, Java wasn't always a free and open source software, which is also known as a FOSS. It was only in November 2006 it was made into one. On to the next slide. Features of Java. Today we are going to be covering 10 of these interesting features. Even though they may be more in number, they are very easy to learn. The first one being simple. Java is very easy to master if OOPS concept is understood. And the second one is object oriented. Everything in Java is an object. That's why we learn the OOPS concept. Distributed. Java is designed for a distributed environment on the internet. Now before we proceed any further, I need to tell you guys the meaning of distributed environment. We all know that the processing and data in the internet is spread over multiple computers, right? That's exactly what a distributed environment means. One of the most important features in Java is multi-threading. Java allows the execution of many tasks simultaneously. I'm pretty sure that is self-understanding and doesn't need any explanation. Dynamic. Java is very dynamic as it is designed to adapt to an evolving environment. That's why we still get Java updates. The sixth one, also known as a confusing one. Architecture neutral. Sounds weird, right? Well, let me teach you. Java allows the execution of compiled code on different computers. So if I compile and create a program in this computer, I can execute it in my mother's computer if I wanted to. Portable. Few features of Java like architecture neutral make it highly portable like the Nintendo Switch. Let's move on to the next one. Due to fast compilers, Java has extremely high performance. Robust. Difficult word but very easy. Due to compile time error checking, Java is robust. Notice I've been using this word compile all the time. Let me tell you the meaning of it in computer science terminology. What we are typing in a program is human code. It is not machine code. So what compiling basically does is that it changes the human code into machine code. In this feature, robust, when you are compiling in Java, it tells you what mistake you have done and alarms you not to do it again. Last but not least, security. Java allows the development of virus-free and tamper-free systems, which gives it the best security at all times. Now let's summarize what we have learned today. Today we learned what is Java and few features of Java. If you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you can stay notified at all times. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.